In this video, I want to show you how to create your promotion setup. This is just a one-time task. Once it's set up, you just use it year after year. If you need to make changes, you certainly can, but you don't have to create it every year. I'm going to go to Administration in the header and under Setup, select Promotion. I'm going to click the green Add Promotion button. This adds one row. You're going to have one row for every group that you're moving. Let me show you. Under the description, you put exactly what you're doing. You're moving 11th graders to 12th grade. That's your description. And you want to select the division. Before you select the division, you need to select the program. And the program, in this case, is life groups. And by selecting the program, you determine the divisions that are going to display here. So because these are life groups, I want to have those divisions, and I'm going to select 11th grade. And the division that they're moving to is 12th grade. Now yours may be set up a little differently. You may have all of your classes in the same division, and there's some examples in the help article for what that would look like. You can add the sort order later. Click Add Promotion, and notice how it moves this to the bottom and adds the new one to the top. So this would be 10th to 11th grade. And because we have these divisions, now notice every time you either refresh the page or you select the green Add Promotion button, you're going to have to reselect the program. So life groups, and you select 10th grade. And notice I can actually start typing part of that. The third time I hit a 1, I got to the 11th grade. So I'm going 10th to 11th grade, and so forth. And you're going to progress all the way up, moving next 9th to 10th, and so forth. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut that I like to use. I like to go ahead and select this Add Promotion button several times so that I have several of those that I can create all in a row without having to go back and click that button again. Another thing you can do is instead of selecting the divisions each time, you can just do this part and do this is 9th to 10th grade. This is 8th to 9th grade, and so forth. So you just progress this way, creating the description, and then come back and enter the divisions. I proceeded and I added some more rows and I filled in just the description. Each time you refresh the page or select the Add Promotion, which serves the same purpose, it's going to rearrange these based on the description, not the sort. So you come back and add your sort. If you want your higher grades to be at the top, you put this is 1, and then, well, actually you want to put O1 so that they will sort because you're going to have more than 10. O1, and this would be O2, and then my 9th would be O3, O4, O5, and so forth. All right, so that's up through the 4th grade, and then this is 2nd to 3rd, so this would be 10th, and this is the 11th. All right, when I refresh the page, now they're sorting in order, and I have the oldest group at the top and all the way down to the 1st to 2nd grade. And you can do a different sort for your other organizations like your preschool. You could use letters and do A, B, C and do that, or you could keep adding to this and just add 11 or 12, 13, 14, and so forth. But you see what I'm doing here. Now, before you can do the divisions, you have to select the program. So I select life groups, which is why I like to do all of this part first. Get the description entered, get the sort in there, and then I select the division. So I'm moving 9th grade to 10th grade, 8th grade to ninth grade, and so forth. And that's how you set it up. If you make a mistake, you can always delete it. If you needed to add another sort, you could do that. You can change these. You can start all over if you need to. Uh, if you need to move first grade to first grade, you'll want to create a new promotion level for that. Let me show you. I'm going to add promotion, and I can add first to first grade. That allows you to move children from one class of first grade into another class of first graders. Remember, select the program. And again, I'll select first grade. Let me find first grade. There it is. And instead of selecting second grade, I'll select first grade again. So you can do that for any group where you want to use the promotion setup to move them, and just use the same division, and the description will be first to first. And I want to make this after the last one, and the last one was 11, so I'll make that 12. And then I can refresh it, and it will change the sort, and that's down there at the bottom. And you would just proceed. If you're going to do all of your preschoolers, you would just do 13, 14, 15, 16, and you would do your preschoolers using however you have those divided. If it's 5-year-olds or kindergarten to first grade, you would select kindergarten to first grade if you have them in different divisions like that. But check out the help article and you'll learn more about it. But this is what it's going to look like. Obviously, each of these will be filled in with the division that it's going to come from and go to. And remember, before you can select those, you have to select the correct program. So that's how you would do it. And this is how one looks like when it's complete. This one actually has worship care for our children using O1, O2, etc. This one is for our Arlington campus. And we have 3 divisions or 3 levels there. And then this one is for our main campus. And you can see it's set up just a little bit different. If you needed to add a separate one, you've forgotten and you have E and F, you can add E with something after that and put 3-year-olds to 3-year-olds. So there's a lot of flexibility with that, and it's very easy to do, and you can easily delete it and make changes as you go.